We have no doubt that Milwaukee has your next home away from home, and it might just be at the Iron Horse, a one-of-a-kind boutique property in a former mattress factory that delivers on style, attitude, and motorcycle culture. Or you might like Potawatomi Hotel and Casino, where you'll experience luxurious rooms with 24/7 gaming. If you are feeling classical, then a stay at the historic Pfister Hotel, packed with old-world charm and an unrivaled Victorian art collection, should be on your bucket list. Or take a look at the new Double Dutch, a historic house turned our newest hotel. If you are looking for a sudsy kind of history, then you'll be glad to find the Brew House Inn and Suites, a boutique property in the former Pabst Brewery, copper kettles and all. And for a completely fresh take on boutique hotels, you will find St. Kate the Arts Hotel. You may find yourself serenaded by the concierge whilst exploring their world-class art collection. In Milwaukee, anywhere you choose to stay, you won't be wrong.